Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I have a tech tip for my Teams users out there. So you can actually change how you send your message in Teams from standard to important or urgent. So important, think of it like when you get an important email, it's flagged and you can just have it be a step up from that standard message. If you need to send a Teams message and it's urgent, you can actually mark it as urgent and it'll notify the recipient every 2 minutes for 20 minutes. So again, we don't want to bombard our coworkers, but if you have an urgent message, you now have this way where you can have it notify the recipient and be able to separate a standard message from an important and urgent. I hope this tech tip is super helpful. As always, have a great week, everyone. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week.